You know 3 days you come out in the same clothes, you don't even have time for date. But yet still, you tell people, good boy picking me. Which part of them for come suck out and you know say you bung up.
Ask God to remove my enemies. Remove my enemies.
Curly, I third time now you tell like Pamina look a half blind woman. You go upon your life and you go along the most disgraceful way. But Curly, let me tell you why you want to report my page. Curly, a 50 stars me get. So I sit down here, yes, and you want to take down the page because you know so me can get stars on the page. And Curly, if you want to go over YouTube for help make up your son BL money, go on. Me not have, and I would never report your life. You know why? You see when me a bust liberty pan you, me want to see your life dead. That's people can see when me a come after. So I would never report your life. Me not have to report, me would prefer to report the iron belly. Me wouldn't report your life. Nasty old man, me I go beg you, leave me alone. Because I said you want to come out on social media, can run up your thinking mouth before you go clean your dirty house and go be your nasty self. Which woman can get up 3 days and a come on live in a one clothes, the brassiere sweat up and dirty, and now you curly, you nasty, dirty and stink. Your hygiene is just like your behavior and your bad mind self what you have. You never want to report me page till all, and upon that same live what me do, when me get the 50 stars. You're too bad man. You want to talk about everybody. Everybody, look what you do. Look what you do on social media. All because you're going to Dana and couldn't get Dana money for borrow. Anybody where you couldn't get their money for borrow and your mouth, you turn against them. Anybody where your friend, when you're going to Dana go friend Dana, because you did feel like say Dana go carry up on him back, but you're too bad mind. And you lie. Me report your life as God is my witness for me picking in them life. I don't. Me not even go over there. Somebody tell me see upon Stacey Campbell live them see it. You report the page, make it that now stop me from time. Me I go tell you the truth, Curly, you lie. And Curly, all along, you do with Dana and never answer because you said Dana should never go back in you. When me see what you do, Miss Richie, and talk how the woman back, sit down and lie down and take up your nasty self in your dirty pampers where you not beard. You walk this and nasty and dirty. Curly, me want you leave me alone. Me and you never did a play ring a rose in a basic school. Me and you never used to take plane and go Jamaica, go Wobby a man and go to a cocky partner. Me and you see me a go on, you see me a come for life and a bad mind people and a watch out people life. You don't want nobody talk but the only you want to come take up your big old lapidated shape bad self. Your shape about 5%. Your shape like a them big old low grade cow and 2 back foot. You have a body of 150 pounds and an eye and belly at 850 pounds. The proof is there. The way you say your belly tough with your iron front. You broke the dildo. Nobody will buy dildo from Dr. Love. Everybody have them body in a dry. You're the only one will buy it and broke it. Look on a big old ancient woman, senior citizen woman like you. You should be coming out here with your Bible. You should be the one to cry peace out here. You should be the one to out here and wave your white flag and call we out. Instead of like that, you come out and of course we. And on top of it, and you're not in a position for cause nobody because they say you well, you're dent up. If you want to go in a human body repair shop right now, ASAP, you're the oldest one on social media. 63 going on 4. You should have been the one to come out and I say, come here this, come here that, and I quote the Bible and I knock your tambourine. A tambourine, you should have knock and a shake up and I praise God. Instead of that, you look over your man for go and I look people for go. You're supposed to can change over your life. You want to tell me, say, you are get the pantry food, Curly. A big, you're a granny scammer. Because they say, you say you get the pantry food, and you still sit down and I take the wheels and the meals and wheels. You're too bitter. Then Curly, if you're all and tan so, if you are 64 and tan so, because you're soon 64 now, because February comes, so let's say you're 64. When you're 32, how you did tan? When you're 32, Curly, how you did? Curly, not even the drunker camp like you. Not one of them come out and say something. You know, see your big friend when you did help her try tell lie and Chris. You forget? When you come out and I discredit Chris and I say, the letter, she come out and say the letter. None of them, Curly, all them tired of you. Them find you to be very annoying, Curly. You come out with and come put up, say, you call your lawyer friend at Jamaica and your friend tell you this about the help where 99 get the little girl from UA. Then you come back and you are going to say Angel never put out no receipt because at 2 or 3 times a year should do charity. Where is the receipt? And if for the 99 never put out no receipt, Curly, you would have problem with it. Just like how you come on social media and cuss everybody and you know you're not bad. You know 3 days you come out in the same clothes, you don't even have time for bed. But yet still, you tell people, good boy picking me. You tell people, good boy picking me. Which part of them for come suck out and you know say you bung up. You know you broke deal though, Curly. And me make the woman help buy a ticket for go to England. When my sister you go mad over than me tell the woman me attack it on Fini platform right here so. And the woman pay you half of money. Curly, the $500 we Dana give you. You go to England with less. You don't make no money. The meet and greet don't make no money. And the woman pay your hotel because the woman never want you in the room. Curly, me know how we go. The trip to France, you tell the woman say your dream, the woman pay feet. Curly, what pissed off the woman and pissed me off about you? When you get up in the morning, you don't even wash your mouth and thank God. And people are not like me, I tell Pan Curly, that's why me I come talk now. Me not tell no lie pan her, as God is my witness. This is not cuss. When Curly get up a morning time, Curly don't bathe, Curly don't brush her teeth. All Curly want to do is eat. Now this woman is a woman in sport, so you know so them are going to watch what them eat. Curly wants to eat. The woman a pay for the food and the woman can't even get nothing to eat. The woman have left Curly when for Curly walk and go and shop and then the woman go get something healthy but light to eat. One day you know so you go, the woman buy a 2-for-1 food. The woman buy a 2-for-1 food, and when the woman buy the 2-for-1 food, people who don't believe say Curly sit down right in front of the woman, no home training, nothing about her. I say me shame. When me go, the lady pay for the food and sit down in front of Curly. When you buy 2-for-1, it come on a platter. You believe and then give the 2 plate. People, would you believe, say, Would you believe, say, Curly draw the platter? So the lady frightened and draw her attention. Curly sit down and start name the food like I went aga name shit and say to the woman, say, no sir, I want some of the food this. That opened the woman eye. Alright? When Curly now go up on the boat, Curly start to go on the most way. Go on the most way. Them dead, the whole of them dead, bandana name. One of the worker them pan the ship said to her, say, Curly, come here. One of the worker them pan the ship said to her, say, if she know Dana, you know what she say? No.
Say cinco.
See, say cinco. When the lady get up, the lady come, them reach at the airport, people. Make sure your Curly walk list. Then reach at the airport. When they reach at the airport, the lady said to Curly, say, Curly, go on home, go rest. Don't go home, go do no life and talk about Dana. Curly come. Curly don't even take out the dirty clothes, them people. And wash them or do nothing. Curly come and start to cuss Dana. No, you can't cuss Dana. The woman has say,